Alright, hello everyone, welcome to another video, and in today's video I'm going to simply teach you how you can share games with your friends on Steam. So this video is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video till the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, in order for you to go ahead and share games with your friends or family, you're gonna have to go ahead and log in into your account on Steam on the PC that you're going to be sharing your games with. So once you have logged into your account, you're gonna go up here to Steam, click on settings, and then make sure your account has Steam Guard enabled. As you can see, it's enabled for me. So you're gonna go to settings, and on settings you're going to go ahead and go to family. So when you're here, you're gonna log in into your account that you're going to sharing the games into first, and then once you log in, you're going to log back in into your account. So once you have done that, you're simply gonna check mark this, and over here it's going to show you other local accounts that were logged in before your account. So you're simply going to select the account that you are going to share it to and simply click on OK. And when you log back in into the other account, your game will be successfully shared. So if you thought this video was helpful, feel free to comment down below. And if you haven't already, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you so much for watching.